We have some major news right now. Senator Chris Van Hollen has confirmed that the United States government is paying to keep Kilmar Abrego Garcia in El Salvador at the SECOT facility. Folks, this is stunning. Van Hollen was at the SECOT facility today, attempted to meet with Abrego Garcia, attempted to speak with him over the phone, was completely denied on all fronts, but he did meet with El Salvadoran officials. And Van Hollen asked the vice president if Abrego Garcia, how is he still in the SECOT facility, and his answer was, quote, that the Trump administration is paying the government of El Salvador to keep him in SECOT. Let that set in. Your taxpayer dollars are being sent right now to El Salvador to keep a man who was wrongfully deported in a terrorism facility in El Salvador. Folks, I'll do a full breakdown of this on my Substack, linked in my bio, so subscribe for free and follow along to stay up to date on all the news you need to know about. There'll be much more to come soon.